Today we're at the Groovy Plants Ranch, about 20 miles north of Columbus off 71. It's a very unique place. It's a mixture of abandoned vehicles, tractors, airplanes, and groovy plants. Let's go see what we can find. And as soon as you walk in, there's this awesome yellow love bug with Volkswagen plates. This pretty much explains the whole theme of the place. Plants and abandoned antique vehicles. I love the combination. Endless rows of pottery planters. And check out this cool mural over here. Very groovy indeed. We've got this Volkswagen hippie bus over here, or a microvan if you will. This place definitely reminds me of simpler times. I highly recommend checking it out if you're in the Columbus, Ohio area. What is this? There's a plane here in the woods. That's so cool. And it's here at the back of Groovy Plants Ranch, about 20 miles north of Columbus. They even have cactuses. Or what is the plural form of cactuses? Is that cacti? They have many cacti. Check out this tractor, surrounded by cacti. Come and support this unique mom and pop business. It's like an art gallery mixed with plants. Oh, and I love these wagon wheel plant racks on the ceiling. This is a really cool planting station that they have, where you can pick your own planter and then pick your own flowers. Maddie, what do you call this thing here? Like a planter?
Yeah.
And then they supply the soil and then you just fill them up.
That looks like a bigger rainbow. It's true.
That's cool. There's another sweet vehicle with some plants in the back. Almost looks like an El Camino, but... Oh, it is an El Camino. Yes. I was gonna say, I'm not much of a car guy, but I recognize that back part of the car as an El Camino. Super cool. Alright, that's gonna do it here from the Groovy Plants Ranch. And until we meet again, we'll see you later. Thanks for watching.